1521, when Philippines was discovered by Magellan. They were sailing day and night across the big ocean until the Suez Mall in Masawa Island. Magellan landing in Liwasawa at noon. The people made him very welcome on the shore. They did not understand the speaking they have done, because Castilla did that waray man. When Magellan landed in Cebu City, Raha Humacon met him, they were very happy. All people were baptized in both the Church of Christ, and that the beginning our Catholic life. When Magellan visiting Mactan to Christianize them everyone, but Lapu-Lapu met him on the shore and drive Magellan to go back home. Then they battle God so mad, order his men to come a flood. Mactan Island we go not grab, cause Lapu-Lapu is very hard. Then the battle began down, Ulysses spear versus gun and cannon. When Magellan was hit on his neck, he stumbled down and cried a cry. Oh mother, mother, I am sick, call the doctor very quick. Doctor, doctor, shall I die? Tell my mama do not cry. Tell my mama do not cry. Tell my mama do not cry. That's the end of Magellan and the island of Mactan long time ago, ladies and gentlemen.
Okay, requested song is Gutor.
Gutor.
Magandang Palwan.
Rayaw ni Ilocano.
Na duma-duma ang motor, di mabalin mo aluganan. At gadarumog, at gatarangan. At dapat itagdadamulag, gadana, bundok, gadana, parta kaya't dakin kan, amang pairiyan. An-an-wen TTMX nukuk, taram ay kumuktarin. Browser pabarain pa'y sampu masakayan. Anan-wem tay dakalabig, baik maktangan kangak, kay kayang kaslama sepak, paitasen lang. Sumaltakan di bagi, di scooter lang tanag batit, lalaingem ti agkapet, tay dalon kan ingat langit. Mapunya kalakit at sakay, tanong maplat ay kitbumbak, payuray scooter, nagsiling yan naglibay. Scooter, tar uray tala, at tiger, uray bating, ay anyang anak tiger, tinta nagpati wer-wer. Scooter, tar uray kala, at tiger, uray bating, ay anyang anak tiger, tinta nagpati wer-wer.
Rayaw
Ni Ilocano.
An-an-web TTMX nukog, taram may kumuktarmet. Browser pabarain pa'y samtu masakayan. Anan-wen kay dakalabig, baik maktangan kangag, kay kayang kaslama sepak, paitasen lang. Sumaltakan dito'y bagik, scooter lang tanag batit, lalaingem ti agkapet, kay danon kat ingat langit. Nagkalakit at sakay, tanong maplat ay kitbumbak, payuray scooter, nagsiling ken naglibay. Scooter, tar uray tala, at pati warwar. Isku ter 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 oray kala. Ak tegar tegar ter oray basing. Ay anyan anak tikar. Intanak pati warwar. Isku ter 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 oray kala. Ak tegar tegar ter oray basing. Ay anyan anak tikar. Intanak pati warwar. Isku ter 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 oray kala.
Togor.
Oray bating. Ay anyan anak tikar. Intanak pati warwar.
Warwar.
So nga kay kan t-shirt ate ko, yeah.
Togaro.
Well,
Ay, t-shirt pa ngayon. Hello, Kinshay.
Hello, Kanshay. Baby ka ni Nene.
Nagbaliwan ti panawin.
Ni Bansong ang didin.
Siya balin ng nagandan. Narigan pa'y pabiksinin. Pati lang kinugali. Hinda pa'y parinokin. Awanin ni Ilocanon. Ngam amok ide panawin. Ay awanin, day di narumpi. Tanu umisan, apag bini. Atay balasan, anadamili. Kalaysan tupaysan kumakuti. Ay awanin, tingkang isala. Kababaketen, kadititeng na. Dagitin neneng, nagpukaw da. Ginuyod da, ay awanin. Di maisala, intaray da. Anusan yung tibabaket. Tanu bumalsi ay napigket.
isem ko, yan ko.
Wala waga mantoy. Ray out.
Ni Ilocano.
Nagbaliwen ti panawin ni baby ken ni neneng sa bali nila dawanda luwag kawesda inurang tela pati bantay iparangda awan ti preno pag-aangda awanen ni Ilocano nga mamukidi unana ay awanen day di narumpi tanu umisem apag bingi atay balasang anadamili kalaysan tupaysan kumakuti ay awanin tingkam isala kababaketen kadititeng nga gagitin neneng nagpukaw da ginuyod da ay awanin di maisala intaray da anusan minti babaket tanu bumalsi ay napigket ay awanin tingkam isala kababaketen kadititeng nga gagitin neneng nagpukaw da ginarsot da ay awanin di maisala intaray da anusan yung di babaket
Oray na bulkan na napigket.
anusan yung di babaket tanu bumalsi ay napigket
Ray out.
Ni Ilocano.
Nako, dapat katunong. Okay, another requested song.
Mr. Love.
Tell me please, Mr. Love, will I find him tomorrow? Do your best, Mr. Love, I'll be waiting till then. Don't you know, Mr. Love, will I find her tomorrow? So if you have the time, you'll be mine once again. Please, 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 Mr. Love, where is that boy that I'm dreaming of? Please, 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 Mr. Love, bring him back home to me. Yesterday was so fun, every walking beside me, and he said he'd be mine till the day we bow down.
Ilocano.